2.4a, adding with a common denominator. To add fractions with the same denominator, we add the numerators, or tops, but use the common denominator. Why is this? Well, remember when we were first explaining fractions, we said that the numerator is the number of pieces you have, but the denominator denotes the size of the pieces. So why do we keep this the same? Let's go through a short example. So what if we were adding 1/3 plus 1/3? Drawing this out using squares, I could denote 2/3 here, right? 2 1/3. So here's a third, and here's a third. If I add them together, say I moved this piece over to here, this would be like this now, right? There would be two shaded pieces. But they're still cut into threes, so the denominator doesn't change because they're still in pieces of 3, but the numerator changes because the number of pieces changed. So whenever we add or subtract fractions, we always change the numerator, but we leave the denominator the same, because the denominator denotes the number of pieces to make a whole item. So let's go through an example. Compute 3/6 plus 2/6. This is simple. We keep the common denominator, and we add 3 plus 2, and that's a 5. So the answer should be 5/6, not 5/12. Let's go through another example. We need to cut 3/4 of an inch off of one end of a pipe and 2/4 of an inch off of the other side. How much do we cut off in total? So we just add the two together, right? 3/4 plus 2/4. We keep the common denominator of 4, and we add 3 plus 2, which is 5. So the answer is 5/4 inches. We could write this as a mixed number as well if we really wanted to. It's 1 1/4 inches.